Ever wondered how to create a simple train that moves seemingly on its own? Today, we're diving into a captivating experiment, using the principles of electromagnetism. It's a fun project that you can easily do at home. All you need are a few common items: a single Ah battery, 2 neodymium magnets, and a coil of bare copper wire. First, let's talk about the stars of our show, the neodymium magnets. These are small but incredibly powerful magnets. They're crucial for our electromagnetic train to work. Make sure you have 2 of them. Next, grab your Ah battery. The size doesn't really matter, as long as it's a standard Ah battery. Now for the coil. The coil is made from bare copper wire. This wire forms the track for our train to run on. Take your 2 neodymium magnets and attach them to the ends of your Ah battery. Here's a critical step: ensure the magnets are placed on the battery, with opposite poles facing each other. This setup is key. Now, it's time to assemble our train. Carefully insert the battery and magnet assembly into the copper coil. Watch closely. The battery and magnets should start to move, propelled by the electromagnetic force. You've just created a simple electromagnetic train. The science behind this is fascinating. The battery acts as a conductor, and the current flows through it and the magnets. The coil of copper wire creates a magnetic field. When the current flows through the circuit, it interacts with the magnetic field of the magnets. The interaction of the magnetic fields creates a force that pushes the battery and magnet assembly along the coil. The polarity of the magnets is very important. By reversing the polarity, you'll see the train moves in the opposite direction. It's a simple demonstration of how magnets and electricity interact to create motion. This is a very easy experiment to set up. Remember to handle the magnets with care. The neodymium magnets are quite strong and could potentially pinch your fingers. Make sure the bare copper coil is properly constructed to avoid any short circuits. Safety first. This simple electromagnetic train is a fun and educational project. It's a great way to introduce yourself to the concepts of electromagnetism. You can also experiment with different coil lengths and the number of turns. You can observe the relationship between the coil length and the speed of the train. The more turns in the coil, the stronger the magnetic field, and the faster the train moves. You can adjust your setup to find the optimal combination. Building this electromagnetic train is an amazing learning experience, and it's a great example of how simple components can be combined to make something cool. Get your magnets, wire and battery ready to make your own electromagnetic train.